Staking your TWT BNB LP tokens will earn you more of such tokens from the PancakeSwap platform. However, your rewards in the TWT BNB LP vault are higher on Beefy Finance than on PancakeSwap, because Beefy Finance automatically compounds your earnings several times a day. To increase your rewards, simply start by opening your Trust Wallet app. Before continuing, make sure you already have the token you wish to stake available and a small amount of Smart Chain BNB to pay for the fees. Now tap on the DApp Browser on the bottom menu and select the Beefy Finance DApp. On the homepage, scroll down until you find the TWT BNB LP Vault. Your wallet should already be connected and you will see your available balance. Tap on the vault to expand its details, then on Approve and finally on Send. Now choose the amount of LP tokens you wish to stake and tap on Deposit. Confirm your request by selecting Send. Your transaction will then be processed and you will start earning your rewards.